Welcome back. Merry Christmas. I look like I've put on about 10 pounds and I'm hoping that's just the camera.
Good God.
We're out tonight in one of our other locations. It's Lowood again, but it's a different spot at Lowood. And we call this the middle camp. There's like 3 different layers to it.
I don't think we've done one at Lowood before.
Have we not?
No.
Well, the playing fields.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
practically Lowood, isn't it?
Practically, yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna get the Cozshack set up. There's hopefully going to be 3 of us staying in there tonight. There's 2 of us here at the moment, and then the 3rd one should be rocking up soon. But yeah, we'll get that kitted out, and then we'll get back to you.
See you shortly. So we got that set up pretty quickly. Getting the old dab hand at it now. Yeah, it's the weather's pretty bad tonight. I don't know what the wind's meant to get up to, but yeah, we'll just have to see how we get on. But we got pretty soaked putting the tent up, so we are going to wrap that fire up and get it dried out before anything else. So yeah, I'll take you in and let you have a look. Pretty toasty in here yet. That's before the fire's lit as well. Big stack of wood, few beers. Job's a doozy.
Something a little bit different for me to drink tonight. I don't know what you're on, we'll get on that in a minute, but maybe you've had this before. I've never had it, so I thought I'd give it a go. The old Copperberg orange ginger beer, and then something which I have had before, which is banging, the rhubarb and ginger cider as the special.
I'm just on the Brewdog Ald IPA from Aldi. It's a pretty easy drinker, just 4 cans, taking it easy tonight, and then oh god, that fire's looking hot.
It's warm now.
Might have to move that stack of wood, eh?
Cheers!
Merry Crimbo! Oh, what the fuck? That's
Take 2.
cheers! That worked.
Look who just turned up. Very wet.
Hey up everyone, my name's Byron. I believe you've met Dan and Chris already. I haven't managed to make it out with these guys for bloody ages now, but thank God the weather's turned out horrendous. Gives me a chance to get out with these 2. I turned up with all the food and some drinks for them, and they're both in camp beds and I'm on the floor. Luckily I've got some nice Malbec there. Hopefully I can get some kip.
I bought a new sleeping bag with me tonight, which is probably a bad idea. It's the Nemo Disco 15, and I've been wanting a sleeping bag, or a decent sleeping bag, for quite some time now. The rest of mine have been like cheap bags, 50–60 pound, and they weren't really sort of suitable. They were either too cold or really warm and massive. You couldn't really pack them away. But I'm going to give this one a try tonight. Like I say, it's probably a bad idea because it goes down to sort of -10 low limit, and to use that in a hot tent is just mental. But we'll see what happens. What? This is a Byron in his natural habitat, playing with the fire. And this is a Dan in his natural habitat, laying down.
You
Just about to go to bed, and this melt blows his up. Noisy bastard.
That's us, all set up for a night. Got the fire stoked up, even though we're all in down sleeping bags, so we'll see how that goes. Managed to knock a bottle of beer over, so it'll be a heady mix of sleep and alcohol.
Right in the hole. It was in the hole.
Right, so we are bedding down now. Everybody's in the sleeping bags. Byron's just dumped a load of wood on the fire and it is absolutely sweltering in here, so probably all gonna die. Yeah, Chris and Byron are sharing a bed tonight. Just pan you around.
Not sharing a bed.
Very
I'm on the
cozy.
floor.
Byron's only stoked the fire up as well because he's only got a cheap Leviathan, so...
Anyway, he absolutely loves his Leviathan. There's nothing wrong with OEX stuff.
Fantastic tackle.
Fantastic tackle. So yeah,
Still on about OEX.
I'm in the Flames Creed quilt and Chris is in his Finding Dory sleeping bag. Oh no, sorry, it's Finding Nemo.
Jealousy is a cruel mistress.
Yeah, so if you got this far into the video, thanks very much for watching, and we will see you in the morning for some of Chris's Kelly Kettle action.
Why am I lying next to fucking Dracula? Have you got hard on?
2,000 years later.
Morning everyone. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning now. I think this is the longest I've ever slept in a tent. Usually up and away long before this. Byron's still asleep. Chris is woken up. We were just discussing the gear that we used last night. I've used this Flames Creed quilt and the Light Tour sleeping pad. I was pretty warm all night. Chris used his Nemo sleeping bag, but didn't put a pad underneath him, so he felt a bit of the cold coming through. So the importance of using a pad. It is messy in here. Let's get that fire lit. Like the people were ready for this level of nudity. How did you sleep, Byron?
Fantastic, actually, yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah, really comfortable in my OEX Leviathan on the climate insulated mat and a little foil mat just down on the deck just to make sure I didn't get wet anywhere. Yeah, it was good. Comfortable.
Lovely.
Sunshine, blue skies. I gotta cry. Minutes supposed to cross crying. Since the pain, oh yeah. Listen, I love you. That sounds strange. I wish it would rain. The minutes supposed to cry. I wish it would rain.
Right, that's us all packed away now, and that's it for another camp. If you liked what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing, and we will catch you on the next one.
See you later, guys.
Ta-da!